Hi, we're working on a school project from Philadelphia. Are you from here?
Born and raised.
Like, what makes Philly so different? Like, why is Philly so special?
Can I see what you guys have so far? Let me stop you guys right there. You're on the right track, but Philadelphia is a world-class city. Centrally located on the northeastern corridor of the United States, we're about an hour and a half south of New York City, 2 hours north of the nation's capital, and we're a central hub for travel and business and culture in the Northeast. That's a big reason why it's historically been such an important city. Winters, yeah, they get cold, but when the weather warms up, Philly comes alive. Street life, food, history, energy. This is when the city really shines. I'm embarrassed to say that I'm a world traveler and I've been everywhere. Planes, trains, automobiles. But one day I'm literally driving around the city and it hits me and I'm like, how did I miss this? Like, I've been across oceans but never fully explored my own city? Philly was like, oh, you global now? Cool, but you still haven't seen me. And honestly, it's one of my best trips yet.
No, you ask
No,
her.
you ask
No, you ask her.
Come on. Ask me what?
Who's John Coltrane?
Real talk though, without Philadelphia, there is no America. This is where it all started. The signing of the Declaration of Independence changed everything. And besides, you never know who you'll bump into on the streets.
I'm Senator Hughes.
Okay.
Well, who are you?
I'm Melissa Madison.
She was just like driving down the street and pulled over the side and said, stop. I need to talk to you. I just want to say hello.
Thank you. Thank you for all the effort that you put in for Philadelphians. Thank you goes a long way in Philly. Thank you goes a long way anywhere. After all, it's not about being perfect, it's about refusing to quit. And that's what makes Philadelphia so special. We don't just hold the history, we started things. America's first library, the first zoo, the first hospital. Plus, we've had the first daily newspaper and even the first stock exchange. Philly wasn't following trends, we created them. And speaking of first hospital, Philadelphia held on to that torch where we now hold some of the best healthcare in the world. And I guess to have some of the best healthcare and engineering and design, you need world-class training, right? We deliver that right here, attracting top talent from around the globe.
Went to the Guggenheim Museum in New York City. Do we have museums here?
Interestingly enough, Solomon Guggenheim was actually born in Philadelphia, so I see where he gets his creativity from. Let me show you just a few because I don't want to spoil it because I want you guys to get out there and explore on your own, but I've been to museums all over the world. This city is different. You've got the iconic Philadelphia Museum of Art. Yeah, the Rocky Steps, of course. But inside, world class. And here's the crazy part. Philly has over 112 museums. I'm talking everything from hands-on genius of the Franklin Institute to the straight-up mind-blowing Mutter Museum. And yeah, that's not for the weak, but it's really about the variety for me, the art, the science, the history, the unexpected. Every corner of the city teaches you something without it feeling like a lesson. Philly's not just competing with the world. I promise you it's quietly outclassing it. You just have to experience it. You know, most cities boast landmarks, but it's the little oddities, the hidden alleys, the quirky statues, a secret rooftop view. That really makes sightseeing unforgettable. It's like discovering a city's secret handshake, a story tucked between the obvious. And as we leave the well-trodden paths behind, we step into a world even more unexpected, where history, adventure, and the city's soul collides. Let's turn the corner and see what surprises wait in the next chapter.
Oh,
right.
And I saw a life-size poster. What are those?
That life-size poster is actually a mural or street art, although there is a distinction. It's literally like an open-air art gallery. The city is home to over 4,000 murals, all commissioned by the Philadelphia Mural Arts Program to transform walls into stories. Unlike graffiti, these murals are legal, celebrated, and often tell powerful tales about community, culture, and change. Philly's mural scene even won USA Today's Best City for Public Art in 2025. And in every corner you turn, there's a masterpiece waiting to be discovered.
I think we were in Northwest.
Northwest? Was it Northwest?
Yeah, Northwest Philly on the boulevard.
Okay.
You said you're from here. What part of town are you from?
West Philadelphia is where cultures synchronize, and in the best way. Block by block, you'll hear different languages, taste a multitude of different foods from around the world, and you'll really feel a sense of community. It's diverse, it's vibrant, and constantly evolving, shaped by people who call it home. And as we move forward, you'll see exactly how that energy spills into every single corner of the city.
So, how's the food?
Philadelphia does not just witness greatness, it builds it. There's something in the grit, the culture, the pressure to earn everything. This city does not hand out crowns. Trust me, it forges them. You can come here with your talent, but you will definitely leave a legend. That's what Philly does. When the sun sets, Philadelphia absolutely comes alive. Catch world-class theater at the Walnut Street Theater, or groove to live jazz, indie, rock, or intimate venues from across the city. Broadway hits, improv, comedy, it's all here. Concerts are not just music in the city of Philadelphia, they are experiences. From the Kimmel Center to the Fillmore, every single night has a headline that will make you move. And when it's time to unwind, Philly's nightlife hits every single note. Can sip craft cocktails and hidden speakeasies, dance at rooftop bars with city views, or hit clubs where the DJs do not quit until the dawn. Arts and culture, we got it. Does not clock out. Late night museum events, street performances, illuminated art installations make wandering the city unforgettable. Hungry? Philly's late night eateries are legendary. From cheesesteaks, gourmet bites, your taste buds will never sleep. Theater, music, drinks, art, food. Philly isn't just a city, it's an experience you will not forget.
So, what do you say about talent?
Oh!
Is Philly really everything we see on TV about the Eagles?
Okay, Melissa, just tell them the truth. They're gonna see it anyway. They've already seen it. Just tell them the truth.
Holy cow, we have more than we could have asked for. Any last piece of advice you can recommend?
You might want to change that Dallas Cowboys t-shirt. Oh! Let everything you guys do be done with purpose.